Uni, uni, ani, baha. Uni, ani, baha. Flying up with a bird. From the jackknife forward bend to the headstand to the crow. Uddiyana Baha. The technique is found that it controls and facilitates the early practice by standing with the legs a little apart and slightly bending the knees. By the kneecap directly above the toe, ski position. Palm of the right hand is placed on top of the right thigh. Palm of the left hand is placed on top of the left thigh. Fingers spread a little, pointing inward. Arms are fully stretched. The trunk leaned forward slightly. From the waist and the back is rounded and low. Uddiyana Baha is a blessing to mankind. It brings health, long life to those who practice it. If you like this video, please share and like. Until we meet again, my name is Isaac the Yogi. Stay focused. Breath control is more important than asana. Learning how to